channel of kanakinfosystems. Here I will show you a demo for a POS in a Frappe. So here we can add tags in our orders. We will show the quantity, stock quantity of the product in product tab itself. Also the resume orders, new orders and ongoing orders can be seen there. Lines, discount, product discount as well as loyalty points. These all concepts are covered in this video. Here we will see our POS profile. So we have one POS profile which is named as POS offline. Here we have selected company. By default customer has been selected here. Also taxes has been selected here. Account type, discount type has been selected. In taxes we can see 10% tax has been selected here. Now we will go in POS app. We will open our POS app. We will select profile which was POS offline. We will confirm this. So we are having zero cash. We will open this session. So here we have this product with quantity which is displayed above. Now we will select this product in our order. Here we have three options: paid orders, running orders and new order. Here we can vice versa select these orders. For example, we can see paid orders here. Also we can see running order, which is this. We will select this, so this order will become. We will select new order, so new order will be open here. Here we can select another product and a new order will be displayed. Again we will go in running orders. So here we have two orders. So if we will select this order, then our previous order will be displayed here. Here we have reward program which is currently 1, loyalty 1. Here we will earn these points from this order, so we can redeem our point. Currently we have 8 redeem points, so we can avail these loyalty points from here. Also we can apply discount. So for applying discount, we will click in apply discount. We will select discount percentage and we will add. So discount of 5010 rupees has been applied here and total discount has been set. Now we will, so here a customer has been selected by default, which we have selected in our profile. We can change it. Also we can select it from here itself only. When we will confirm this order, the quantity will also be changed. For example, book has 4999 quantities and we have used 1, and Lenovo Bluetooth has 10 and we have used 1. We will do payment cash and we will validate it. So our payment has been completed and order has been generated successfully. Now we will go on our new order. So now we will see the quantity of the stock has been changed. Here 4998 and here 9. We can see in our paid order also this invoice has been generated. So now we will create another invoice, another order, for example of book. Here we can see redeem points has been updated. We can redeem from here, and same customer has auto selected here. Now we will go in payments, we will cash and we will validate. So this order has been confirmed. Now we will go in new orders, paid orders. So here we have option of return. So we have this order which we have recently made. We will return this. So a return order has been generated. Also the loyalty point will be minus from our program. Also we can edit this order as it is redeemed, it is return order. Now we will payment this order as it is return order, payment cash, and we will pay. So our cash will be minus 110, and now a return order has been created successfully. Now we can see in paid order, the order has been removed successfully. Similarly we can see here also it has been removed successfully. Now we will close our POS session. We will add our closing amount here 49599 and we will submit. So our POS will be closed successfully. Now we can see our POS invoices here. So here list of invoices created will be generated. Here return order has been also generated, as well as the order which have been created is displayed here.